Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to mute the audio in Google Meet in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do guys is let's say we go to the Google Meet website and we have a meeting. So you can click that one. Okay. So the task guys is how to mute the audio. Okay, so as you can see here, guys, we have a lot of options here. We have this icon, leave call, the more options, the three dots. We have here raise hands, also the captions, the emojis, screen recording, and also the camera and the microphone here. So in order for us to mute the audio, guys, all you need to do is to click this microphone icon. Okay, click that one guys and you will successfully muted yourself. Okay, so if you're the host guys, you can actually mute or unmute someone. Okay, so by going to here in participants guys. So that's it guys, so I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on Google Meet. Thank you.